Sometimes you just gotta clean your your brushes on your tool. Yeah. Now, the thing is, you see, if you don't clean your brushes, you might have a situation where you've got lots of sparks flying about everywhere. So grab yourself a screwdriver like this one here and remove your brushes, one on each side. If it's not a brushless motor, pull the brush out. If it's sticking a bit, it's a telltale sign there's a problem, okay? Now, I've already had this out once, and I didn't clean it because I thought I'd just show you. Can you see all that sort of kind of carbon build-up on there? Well, you want to clean that all off. And I'm just using some brake cleaner because it evaporates, you see, and just disappears. And it appears to be okay because I haven't blown anything up yet. So, yeah, then pop it back in, you see, because this will help prevent you having a bit of a fireworks display coming out of the top of your tool. And that just won't do. No. There she blows. That look all right. Toodaloo.